Ever wonder how artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data science shape your daily digital experiences? Today, let's demystify these tech buzzwords with vivid examples and easy analogies. Join our friendly robot guide as we journey into a world illuminated by clever algorithms and smart data, breaking down big concepts into bite-sized nuggets for curious minds. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is like an umbrella covering ideas and tools that help computers mimic human intelligence. Think of it as teaching machines to reason, understand, and make decisions, just as people do. From voice assistants to smart recommendations, see AI gently woven into the tapestry of our modern lives, guiding our choices and routines. Under this AI umbrella sits machine learning, or ML, algorithms that learn patterns from data rather than following set instructions. ML is like teaching our friendly robot to improve at tasks by drawing lessons from past experience. Whenever your photo app recognizes your face or predicts traffic routes, that's ML working behind the scenes, evolving smarter over time. But where does data science fit in? Imagine it as a detective's toolkit, helping uncover stories and secrets buried within mountains of numbers. Our robot guide uses clever data tools, gathering, cleaning, analyzing, and visualizing information, so businesses, scientists, and citizens alike can solve problems and make confident choices each day. Let's visualize their relationship. AI is the big idea, a vast kingdom of smart thinking, while machine learning is one of its mightiest castles, and data science is the royal historian decoding what's truly happening. Each plays a unique role, complementing the other to make technology both powerful and insightful for everyone. Still puzzled? Let's explore daily examples. When AI powers a chatbot, ML kicks in to help it respond more naturally, while data science ensures it learns from thousands of previous conversations. Our robot guide will break this down with vivid, relatable scenarios, making these tech marvels feel both simple and tangible. For instance, imagine streaming music. AI curates your playlists, ML learns your favorites over time, and data science analyzes listening trends across millions. It's teamwork in action, each element harmonizing to deliver personalized experiences. Our friendly robot guide dances through digital notes, showing how these technologies combine to know what you'll love next. So, why does understanding the difference matter? When you hear news about AI breakthroughs or business analytics, you'll spot what's truly powering those stories, an interplay of separate but related fields. With your grasp of ML, data science, and AI concepts, you can better navigate today's digital world and make smarter tech decisions. In 2025, these three pillars drive innovation in business, healthcare, and even social good, powering smarter cities, safer cars, and personalized healthcare. Our animated robot guide stands alongside these advances, highlighting that grasping these basics opens the door to incredible careers and everyday empowerment. The digital future is yours to explore. Congratulations! You now understand the key differences between AI, ML, and data science, and how each shapes your connected life. Remember, technology is most powerful when it empowers you with knowledge. Subscribe for more friendly insights from our animated robot guide, and step confidently into the digital age with curiosity and clarity.